Understanding Flesh Wound, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into an interesting phrase you might have heard in movies or read in books. Flesh wound. We'll explore what it means, how it's used, and some examples to help you understand it better. Let's get started. Flesh wound is a term used to describe a type of injury. Specifically, it refers to a wound that damages the skin and the flesh beneath it but does not affect the bones or vital organs. It's often used to indicate that the injury, while possibly painful and bloody, is not life-threatening or overly serious. The term flesh wound has been used for centuries, with its origins traced back to the times of sword fighting and combat. In literature and movies, it's often used to depict a character being injured in battle but still able to continue fighting or functioning. This phrase is also commonly used in a somewhat humorous or ironic way, especially when a character is trying to downplay the severity of their injury. To understand the phrase better, let's look at some examples. The knight received a flesh wound in the duel, but it was nothing serious. After examining the cut on her arm, the doctor said it was just a flesh wound and stitched it up. In a humorous context, "It's just a flesh wound," he said, even though his entire arm was bandaged. Some synonyms or related phrases include superficial wound, a wound that affects only the surface of the skin. Minor injury indicates that the injury is not severe. Scratch or scrape. These are less severe than a flesh wound but similar in that they affect the skin. So, there you have it. The phrase, flesh wound, is a fascinating part of the English language, often used to describe a non-critical injury. It's a great example of how language can be used in different contexts, from serious to humorous. We hope this video helps you in your English learning journey. Keep practicing, and see you in the next video.